Hello, I am hashtag the tallest man in real estate. And today I just want to go over a few topics that I saw on our May 2021 housing report. And so there's a few slides I want to share with you. As you can see, my license is right down here. It's DRE020222132. So let's get started here. The first one I wanted to show here is the year of the pandemic, and I thought this chart was very interesting. It shows what's happening in home sales values at the various levels. And I thought that one thing that jumped out to me was that over here, you can see 22% of the 4+ bedrooms homes had a huge increase of 22%. And that's when you think about it, a lot of the people that are buying homes right now, especially at the higher levels, they're the typical white collar jobs. They're going to be the CEOs, the CFOs, the founders of companies. And as they had to shelter in place and work from home, they started to realize that their home was inadequate for what they needed. And so they needed more bedrooms, more space, get some dens to work out of or office space. And so you start to see that trend as people moved up into the higher levels there, going from 2 to 3 bedrooms. We had a 12% increase for 3 bedrooms. And this I found interesting. I'm definitely seeing it with my clients that are looking for studio and 1 bedrooms. We've actually seen a little bit of a dip. I had a client back in December, and she bought a home or a condo in Pack Heights, and she ended up paying roughly about 50,000 less than what the previous homeowner bought it for in 2018. And then you look at how much the interest rates have gone down since then, is at least about 0.5% or 0.75. And so she ended up saving quite a bit of money on that 1 bedroom condo. The next chart I wanted to show is the monthly supply and demand. And this is, as you can see, when the pandemic hit in here, then we had a huge spike here of inventory. And that's what happened more in the fall of last year. And now we're starting to get back into normal levels as we start to hit our spring season. And spring season in San Francisco usually starts to pick up after Super Bowl. So around, end of February, beginning of March, and then it'll last till pretty solid until about the middle of June. I think this year, though, I personally, my personal opinion is, I think listings will drop quite a bit once we hit summer. I think a lot of people are going to go on vacation. A lot of the realtors are going to go on vacation. And then typically it's not till about a week after Labor Day do we start to see the fall inventory start to happen again. And then this one is the 12-month rolling sales volume since 2005. And I wanted to point out this chart as well, because you'll see here that the $3 million to $5 million ended up going up quite a bit in terms of how much volume there was. And again, that talks to what I was talking about before, is that those CEOs and CFOs and the people that are buying those typical homes, they're also doing really well in the stock market also. And so they started to see how inadequate their space was. The next one I wanted to show was listing accepting offers at the 2 million plus since 2008. And again, we started to see this spike here that is now starting to happen. And this is March of 2021. And so obviously, if there's any questions that you have, feel free to reach out to me. I am hashtag the tallest man in real estate. And you can also reach out to me at EricJansonRealtor.com, Eric at EricJansonRealtor.com. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.